Welcome as we take a look at a risk event for the new month. It's Monday, the 1st of May. We kick off next week, and the risk event for next week, we're now off to Daily FX and Richard Snow. Rich, what do you got for us?
Hi, Jeremy. I'm looking ahead to the Wednesday FOMC rate decision, and that's with a view for bullish continuation in euro dollar, very much like the last time we spoke. And that's because we continue to see the long-term trend. If you just take a look at the daily euro USD chart, we can see that the long-term trend is very much still intact. But given that we are quite mature in this trend, it would be preferable to see more of a pullback down towards the underside of the rising channel and possibly even an intraday move down to this 1.0965 swing low that we had fairly recently before taking a view for further bullish continuation. Now, that is when you look ahead to next week, we not only have the FOMC decision, we also have the ECB rate decision. And markets very much anticipating another 80 basis points worth of hikes before the year is done in Europe, whereas on the side of the Fed, after we hit suggested 25 basis point hike next week, the Fed have the view to pause, and the markets are certainly still looking forward to the second half of the year, where we'll see rate cuts according to expectations. So we're still very much in line with the longer term trend, looking for that upside continuation, possibly looking at levels around 1.1075. That's to the upside. And in the interim, we're looking for that pullback to more favorable levels. And certainly the Q1 GDP report we had yesterday in the US, the inflation component to that, certainly suggesting the dollar may be supported in the lead up to the FOMC decision next week. So that plays well to see a lower move in Euro USD in the interim.
Yeah, two very big events for next week. Rich, thanks so much indeed. Richard Snow from Daily FX. You can catch up more with Richard on the Daily FX website, looking there at chances of a pullback in the euro dollar trade around those two interest rate decisions.